Driving for Uber, Didi or rideshare in Australia? You could be missing tax deductions worth thousands of dollars. If you earn income through rideshare, keeping records and claiming eligible deductions can help reduce your tax bill. Your biggest deduction may be vehicle expenses. This can include fuel, servicing, registration, insurance, repairs, cleaning, and depreciation, only for business use. If you use your phone for ride requests, navigation, and communicating with passengers, the work-related portion may be deductible. Tolls and parking paid while completing rides may also be claimable. Items used for work may qualify too, such as phone mounts, charging cables, dash cameras, and other rideshare accessories. Remember, no records, no deduction. Keep receipts, trip logs, and rideshare income reports throughout the year. Need help with your Uber or Didi tax return? Contact SuperTax and maximize your eligible deductions.